Viewers, welcome back to Mara's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make spicy butternut squash chips. Viewers, so we're not going to fry it, we're going to bake it instead. We peeled the butternut squash. Now let's slice them. Now we're going to cut them into chips shapes. We're going to season them with salt and pepper. Here goes the pepper. We're adding some curry powder with it, some olive oil. Finally, mix it well. We're going to put our chips in a tin on the bottom with grease-proof paper. We're now going to bake them at 180 degrees up to 25 minutes. Viewers, I just took it out from the oven. The smell is brilliant. They're so crunchy. I think I should have it with tomato ketchup. Enjoy, bon appetit. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up or subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.